Hi, this is again Jer Rop. I don't know. Can you see? No, you can't see. Well, I think you neither can hear it. But it's raining like a hell out of there. Yep, it's raining, and I barely can see another building, as you can see. Yeah, whatever. There. It rains. You can see it. And yes. Oh, and good colors. Wait. Better. Try to make up those lights. But yeah. Actually, I don't think that you. No, you can't see it. It's too bright. But yeah, I'm playing Age of Empires 3 right now. And as you can see, I'm not going very well. I lost all my healers and stuff. But yeah, well, see you guys later.